Natural stone borders are a timeless choice for backyard edging. They create a rugged yet elegant transition between flower beds and lawns, blending seamlessly into the landscape. Log edging adds a rustic, earthy charm to your garden, perfect for cottage-style landscapes. Use natural or treated logs to create defined lines for pathways and plant beds. River rocks are a versatile and durable option for edging. Their smooth texture and natural colors bring a tranquil, zen-like feel to any garden. Mulch is not only great for moisture retention and weed control, but it also serves as a natural, low-maintenance edging material, perfect for organic garden designs. Bamboo offers a unique and eco-friendly edging solution. Its natural texture and strength make it ideal for creating a clean, exotic border around garden spaces. Brick pavers, when used as edging, bring a touch of vintage charm to backyard gardens. Their durability and rustic look make them a popular choice for traditional garden designs. Pebbles create a soft, understated border for garden beds and pathways. Their small size and neutral tones make them ideal for minimalist or zen-inspired designs. Driftwood adds a weathered, coastal vibe to backyard edging. Its irregular shapes and textures bring a natural, artistic element to garden spaces. Flagstone offers a more structured yet natural-looking edging option. Its flat, irregular shapes create a clean yet earthy boundary for garden beds and pathways. Cork, made from the bark of cork oak trees, is a sustainable and eco-friendly material for garden edging. Its natural texture and flexibility make it a great choice for curved garden designs. Gravel is a practical and aesthetically pleasing option for garden edging. It works well for creating clean lines and can be used to complement a variety of natural elements. Reclaimed wood planks provide a sustainable and rustic solution for garden edging. Using weathered wood adds character and charm to garden spaces, creating a cozy, eco-conscious environment. Slate stones, with their smooth surfaces and dark tones, offer a sleek, modern option for edging. Their subtle texture brings sophistication to contemporary garden designs. Moss-covered rocks provide a soft, organic edging option for gardens. The combination of stone and moss creates a natural, woodland-inspired atmosphere. Willow branches can be woven together to create a natural, flexible garden border. This technique adds a whimsical, handcrafted touch to the garden, perfect for rustic or cottage designs.